Hello everyone, मैं हूँ विभा मैम. Welcome back. What is subject and what is predicate? We have already discussed this in part 1. Now what is subject? In short, जिसके बारे में हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं वो होता है subject. जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं वो person भी हो सकता है, place भी हो सकता है और object भी हो सकता है. So what is predicate? Subject के बारे में हम लोग क्या बात कर रहे हैं वो हो जाता है predicate. Now we will do some more examples with some exception rules. Let's start. Alice in Wonderland is an adventurous story. जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है वो है Alice. But Alice in Wonderland यहाँ पे एक स्टोरी का नेम है. So इसलिए Alice in Wonderland would be your subject. Okay? और क्या बात हो रही है Alice in Wonderland की? Is an adventurous story. So this would be your predicate. Okay? Next one. A little yellow fish swam in the ocean. So what is subject over here? जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है that is fish. But fish के बारे में describe भी हो रहा है कि वो yellow color की है और little है. So a little yellow fish would be your subject. और क्या बोला जा रहा है उसके बारे में? Swam in the ocean. So swam in the ocean would be your predicate. Now the next one. The magician's trick amazed everyone. तो भैया किसके बारे में बात हो रही है? Magicians and his trick also. Because magician के साथ साथ trick भी एक subject है. So magician's trick is the subject and amazed everyone is your predicate. Okay? Next one. A piece of land surrounded by water is called an island. So what we are talking about? We are talking about land. But over here, not only land, we are talking about a piece of land. So a piece of land would be your subject, जिसके बारे में बात हो रहा है. What we are talking? That it is surrounded by water is called an island. The entire sentence would be your predicate. Next one. The old books in the library are removed. So library is also a subject and books are also subject. So the old books in the library is a subject and are removed is your predicate, because books are the object and library is the place. Already I have told you that subject means we are describing person and place also. We are talking about it. Jatin, our new coach, will guide us. So whom we are talking about? We are talking about Jatin. And who is he? He is our new coach. So Jatin, our new coach, is your subject. जिसके बारे में बात हो रहा है. What we are talking? That will guide us. So that would be your predicate. Next one. Everyone in the class was shouting. We are talking about what? We are talking about class, and who is there in class? Everyone is there. So everyone in the class is your subject and was shouting is your predicate. Got it? Now we'll come to the exception rules. What are exceptions? Over here, when we talk about imperative sentences means जब हम लोग किसी को ऑर्डर देते हैं या रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं, दैट इज एन इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस. ऑर्डर मीन्स कमांड ऑल्सो. शट द विंडो. अब यहाँ पे जब मैं बोल रही हूँ शट द विंडो, हु इज द सब्जेक्ट? मैं किसको बोल रही हूँ? शट द विंडो. सो भैया सब्जेक्ट इज नॉट प्रेजेंट. सो इफ इट्स एन ऑर्डर शट द विंडो, सो वी विल पुट यू शट द विंडो. हम लोग वहां पे यू पुट कर देंगे अपने आप से, एंड दैट वुड बी माई सब्जेक्ट. एंड शट द विंडो वुड बी योर predicate. Got it? Please close the curtain. That's a request. But over here, whom I am making the request, that is not mentioned. So हम लोग अपने आप से यहाँ पे you put कर देंगे और उसे हम subject मान लेंगे. That means you is the subject over here, and please close the curtains would be your predicate. Okay? Put the toys back. Put the toys back. Over here again I am ordering put the toys back. That means you put the toys back. Got it? You is the subject over here and put the toys back is your predicate. So जहाँ पे subject नहीं है वहां हम लोग खुद से पुट करेंगे. Water the plants. Over here again I am ordering water the plants, but whom I am ordering is not mentioned. So we will write you water the plants. So you is the subject over here and water the plants would be your predicate. Read the paragraph loudly. I am saying someone to read the paragraph, but whom I am saying is not mentioned. So we will write on our own. You read the paragraph loudly. So you over here would be subject and read the paragraph loudly would be your predicate. Hope this video is useful for you. Bye for now. See you again.